It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you.
Wear this ring
Is it the
as a sign of my love and loyalty.
or is it the
Loyalty.
I will always love you,
I will always love you,
protect you,
protect you,
and cherish you
and cherish you
throughout our lives together.
throughout our lives together.
boulevard we can go? No one will know.
By definition, a wedding is an act, process, or instance of joining in close association. It is a profound commitment that requires both decisions of two parties.
It's on, girl. Don't say no.
Wear this ring
Wear this ring,
as a symbol of my love and faithfulness.
a symbol of my love and thankfulness.
I will always love you,
I will always love you,
protect you,
protect you,
and cherish you
and cherish you
throughout our lives together. Throughout
through our
our lives together.
lives together.
I think I wanna marry you. Is it the
Article 1 of the Family Code says,
or is it the
marriage is a special contract of permanent union between a man and a woman.
Just say yeah, and we'll go. If you're ready, like I'm ready. It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to
The word love in Latin is amare, while the word love in Greek is agape, meaning it is an everlasting love, free, sacrificing, conditional love.
Oh, tell me right now, baby. Just tell me right now, baby. Just say I do.
Antot. Mahal na mahal po kita. Kahit anong pagsubok na darating po sa atin,
Tell me
nandito
right
lang ako.
now, baby.
Sobrang mahal na mahal po kita.
Tell me right now, baby.
Mga 2017, 18, nakauwi ako ulit dito sa Pinas. Tapos, yun, biglang nagkaroon kami ulit ng communication sa chat. Tapos, ayun, nagchat-chat kami ulit hanggat sa nagpa siya kami magkita.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely?
Sa 2007, nagkakilala kami. Pero yung panandaliang pagmamahalan lang ginawa namin nun. After nun, wala na kaming usap-usap. Nagkabalikan na lang kami ng 2019. Then, doon namin napagpatuloy yung relationship namin.
Fed up with mistakes. Maybe I just found the
Han?
answers. Maybe I just found
Antot.
the answers in you.
Dumating na po yung araw na to.
Come give me all
Huwag kang umiyak. Maraming salamat po.
we can make.
Sa lahat ng, alam mo naman, medyo pasamay nung araw. Nandito ka pa rin. Hindi ka bumitaw.
I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you.
Actually, sweet kasi siya, malambing. Yun ang taga na gusto ko sa kanya. Kumbaga, as in, true yung pag-ano niya sa akin, true yung pagmamahal na ipapakita niya talaga sa akin.
Ooh, ooh.
Nagkakilala tayo 2007, pero sadya talaga siguro na hindi talaga tayo tinadhana noong 2007. Pero thankful ako kasi bumalik ka sa buhay ko.
All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you.
Pinapangako ko po sa lahat ng kamag-anak mo, sa mga kamag-anak ko, sa mga kaibigan natin na mananatili tayong magtatalo minsan pero hindi tayo maghihiwalay. Mahal na mahal po kita sa hirapan at sa ginhawa.
I want you to know we can make it together.
Sa lahat ng pamilya ako, pamilya mo, mga kaibigan natin, namamahalin kita, aalagaan ka sa pagtanda, aharapin natin ang lahat ng pagsubok, nandito lang ako parate. Mahal na mahal kita. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you,
I
Ana.
just found the answers, baby. I just found the answers in you.
A film by Happy Images.